Yes, so class, this is the question we will be doing today. The following balances appeared in the ledger of Messrs. Marble Traders on 1st April 2017. So these all are the opening balances. That means you must be remembering we have done opening entry. So this is the opening entry only where we will debit first of all the assets and then we will credit all the liabilities. So let's start with it. In the first transaction, it is given cash in hand 6,000, cash at bank 12,000, bills receivable 7,000. So cash in hand is your asset, cash at bank asset, bills receivable asset. Ramesh, it is written credit. So that means he is a creditor. So it will be written on the credit side. Stock 5,400. It is our asset. Bills payable. It is our liability. Rahul debit. Debit means it is the he is the debtor. So it will come on the asset side and Himanshu will also come on the asset side. So let's start with it. So the solution to this question is, first you will write a fall Journal of Messrs. Marble Traders on the top. As you can see over here. After this, the first entry we will do what is it on first on 2000 in 2017 on April 1. First we will debit all the assets over here. So cash account debit, bank account debit, bills receivable account debit, stock account debit, Rahul debit, Himanshu debit. We have debited all the amounts. After this, we will credit all the liabilities. There were two liabilities only, two Ramesh and two bills payable. So now after you have done this, what you will do? You will first of all you will total the debit side. After this you will total the credit side. The total of debit side comes to 50,100 and the total of credit side was rupees only 5,000. So difference was on the credit side. So that means to capital account balancing figure 45,100. Okay. So the balancing figure will be to capital account 45,100. Now in the first transaction it was given goods sold to Manish rupees 3,000. Goods sold to Manish. So Manish is the receiver. Manish debit to sales account. After this, purchased goods from Ramesh, rupees 8,000. You have purchased goods from Ramesh. So Ramesh is the giver over here, and purchases is our expenses, and purchases are always debited. So purchases account debit to Ramesh. Ramesh is credited because Ramesh is the giver. So purchases account debit to Ramesh. Third one is cash received in full settlement from Rahul, rupees 9200. Now from where this Rahul came? Rahul, you as you can see over here, Rahul is the debtor of rupees 9700. He has to give us rupees 9700. But how much amount he has given to us? He has given us only rupees 9200. That means rupees 9700 minus 9200. That means rupees 500 is the discount we have allowed to Rahul. So cash account debit, as we have received the cash, discount allowed is our loss. So it is also debited, debit the losses to Rahul. Rahul is the giver of money, so he will get credited. So we have received 9200 as cash. We have given discount of rupees 500 and total of rupees 9700 will come over here because he has to give us rupees 9700. Now after this, cash received from Himanshu on account rupees 4,000. Himanshu. Himanshu is also a debtor over here. As you can see, he has to give us rupees 10,000. But till now he has given only rupees 4,000. So cash account debit to Himanshu. Rupees 4,000. We have received cash from him. Cash is coming in. So debit what comes in. So cash account debit to Himanshu. Himanshu is getting credited because he is the giver over here. Sixth one is paid to Ramesh by check. You have given to Ramesh the amount by check. Check means you have given from bank account. So here Ramesh, how much amount we have to give it to Ramesh? Rupees 3,000. We have to give rupees 3,000 to Ramesh. He is the creditor over here. So we have given him rupees 1,200. So just a minute. Paid to Ramesh by check rupees 6,000. So we have paid him rupees 6,000. Ramesh account debit to bank account 6,000. After this, we have paid rent by check. So rent account debit to bank account. Rent is our expenses. So now in nominal account, debit all expenses and losses. So that's why rent account is debited. We have paid by check. The amount is going out of the bank. So the credit what goes out. So to bank account. Tenth one is cash received from Manish. We have received cash from Manish. So cash account debit to Manish. After this, next is cash sales. We have done cash sales. Sales means we are selling the goods and we are receiving the cash. Cash account debit to sales account. Goods returned to Ramesh. We have returned goods to Ramesh. So whenever we return goods, that means we have purchased goods from him. Now we are returning him. So that means we are getting purchase return. So if purchases are getting debited, purchase return always get credited. And Ramesh is the receiver over here. That's why Ramesh is debit. So Ramesh debit to purchase return account rupees 1,000. Then cash paid to Ramesh in full settlement. Discount received rupees 300 and we have paid him rupees 3,700. We have to give him rupees 4,000. Means Ramesh is the receiver of 4,000 but he has given us discount. Discount received is our income. That's why it is getting credited 300 and to cash account. We have paid him rupees 3,700. So Ramesh debit to cash account to discount received account. Then goods sold to Kushal. Kushal debit to sales account. Paid trade expenses. Trade expenses account debit to cash account. Drew for personal use. Whenever we drew something for personal use, that means drawings are there. So drawings account debit to cash account. So like this you will complete this question. Now I am telling you the ledger accounts, how we will prepare ledger accounts. How we will prepare ledger accounts. I have told you before also. For each and every journal entry, whatever the account is there, you will open each and every account for that. So here we have a cash account, bank account, bills receivable account, stock account, Rahul account. So what is all this? You must be remembering that we have done one opening entry over here in which we debit all the assets and we have credited all the liabilities. So first of all, what you will do? You will open all the accounts which are given in the first entry. That means, just a minute. What you will do is you will open all the accounts for all this. Which one? Cash account, bank account, bills receivable account, stock account, Rahul, Himanshu, Ramesh, bills payable and capital. You will first of all, you will make the accounts for all the accounts given in the opening entry like this. So now when you have opened this, like all this you have done, Now, after this, what you are going to do after making all the accounts, the opening entry, this they are all the opening balances. So in cash account debit, there was rupees 6,000. So now what you will do for the opening entries, you will do two balance brought down. For the opening balances, what we do is we put two balance brought down. For assets, the balances are brought down on the debit side, and for the liabilities, the opening balances are brought down on the credit side. So for all the assets, as we have seen here, cash account is 6,000, two balance brought down 6,000. Then in bank account there was an opening balance of 12,000. So two balance brought down 12,000. Bills receivable account, two balance brought down 7,000. Stock account, two balance brought down 5,400. So like this, you will brought down all the balances of the given opening entry. Now in the credit side, if you see there was Ramesh and bills payable on the credit side. So for Ramesh and bills payable, as they are liabilities, so we will put the opening balance on the credit side. By balance brought down, and bills payable account by balance brought down. Okay. After this, what we will do, after when we have done all this, now we will do is we will post all the journal entries we have done in all the to the related accounts. So if we see, first one was Manish to sales. So what we will do? We will make one Manish account and we will make one sales account. So in Manish account, what you will do? Manish account, on debit side of Manish, you will write to sales account 3,000, and in sales account you will write it by Manish rupees 3,000. Is it okay?